Hey ladies, this is the handbag hauler here, coming to you with another video reveal. But first, before I get into that, please remember, for those who are new to my channel, to like and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell button for notifications when I post new videos. So the other day I revealed my red Florentine satchel to you guys, and I had said that I have another satchel coming in watermelon, but I was unsure of the color because of the photos from the seller. Kind of looks a little red to me. So first, I want to say thank you to Catherine. Oh my God, I love the bag, and I just love this lady. She wrapped it awesome. I didn't even want to take it out the bag because it was so cute. So I unboxed it already, but I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box really quick. So it was in some nice tissue paper. The tissue paper had thank you on it. It was so cute. Then it had bubble wrap inside the tissue paper. And of course, I got my thank you card from her. And the dust bag came in a little baggie. And you guys, this bag, wait until you see this bag. Hold on, I gotta make sure I get it out of here just like she wrapped it, because it was just too cute. Oh my God, this is probably the best wrapping I've ever seen in a bag. So here she is. She has a nice little bow on there, but I had taken the bow off already to take it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So it's wrapped in a plastic bag, and then the bag had bubble wrap. I was like, oh my God, you gotta protect the girl, protect the girls. Oh, girls. This bag is awesome. Look at this color. Look at this color. So I don't know if you can tell, but the color right now to me looks a little on the orangish, reddish side. And I tried to, you know, get a little bit of light in there. But as you can see, it is strawberry. 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 Oh my God. Now she had it stuffed. This bag is awesome. So this is the strawberry Florentine satchel. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I can't see that. Oh, there you go. Strawberry. So I thought that I was gonna have to like return one of them, or sell, not return it, but sell one. I'm keeping both of these. So let me show you the color of the red one that I got. So some of you already may know. So here's the red that I got the other day. Oh, I love this bag. Okay. And then as you can see, this is the strawberry. Oops. The strawberry. So it's two totally different colors. So my husband's gonna say, so which one you sending back? I said, what do you mean? I'm not sending either one of them back. I thought they were gonna be more closer in color. Then I would have been like, okay, I don't need two bags the same color, the same style. So I'm keeping both of them. As you can see, they're two totally different colors. And they're both mediums. And they're awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I am so happy with this purchase. See, the only thing about this though, now I gotta expand my wardrobe, because now I gotta get something that will complement the bag. Yes, you know, the bag is the focal point. So I have to find something that's going to complement the bag. But it's really awesome. And it came with the little scarf, or I don't know why I want to call it a scarf, but it's not a scarf. But the little sash bow, it was tied really pretty. I'm going to keep that on there. And it did come with the long strap in the purse. And then I'll show you the inside, which is pretty much the normal Dooney setup. You probably can't see it. Okay, so here's your zip pocket. It's got the button closed for your pocket right there, and then a smaller pocket in the inside. And here's the strap with the brushed gold. So yeah, I was so excited. It's so funny because I'm in the Looney for Dooney Facebook group, and when I saw the mail truck pull up on the camera, I had to take a picture, and I posted it in the group and said, "Oh, my bag is here." So yeah, I was excited. I was trying not to, like, all week think about it, because then I'll be so anxious and like, when is my bag coming? So it finally came today. I'm so happy and excited. So again, this is the strawberry Florentine Satchel, and this is the red Florentine Satchel. So there are two totally different colors. I'm keeping them both. So I just want to say thank you guys for joining me along my Dooney venture. And until next video, I will see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.